Right behind me is the booth of Motorola Solutions. There's a new product on show, so there's no time to waste. Let's hit the booth of Motorola here at PMRExpo 2025.
Hi, good. Thank you for coming down to the Motorola Solutions booth. Our key message this year is about being safer, smarter, and connected. And we're actually showcasing this through 3 key zones at the booth. We have the informed responder zone, we also have the security environment zone, and we also have the unified communication zone.
Okay, what are we going to hit first?
So let's start with the informed responder zone, and we'll focus on the connected car.
You guys got something new, right?
We have, yeah. We've got product launch today. We've been listening to a lot of customer feedback about how they use vehicles and about how they use mobile radios and TETRA radios in vehicles, and today we're launching this, which is the M6, the new TETRA Control Head for in-vehicle use.
So this is the control that we're going to launch today. Rugged, sturdy, easy to handle.
The big difference between this and control heads that have come before is that this has got a speaker built into it. So it's much cheaper for people to install, and the overall through-life cost of this is going to be lower. Because by having a built-in speaker, you can still use external speakers, but you don't have to spend money on
the speaker is over here, right?
Yeah, so the speaker's in here. But it is a new advanced speaker design that's gone in here, which means that it's louder than an MXP600 that's in here. It's also, because this connects to the M600, the new mobile radio that we launched a year or 2 ago, it's got built-in noise cancelling as well, using the AI noise cancelling that's built into that product. 1, 2, 3.
And that's loud.
The other key element that we want to showcase today is our Mobile Ad Hoc Networking technology. This is based on our Silvus acquisition. And really, the reason we've acquired Silvus is because it complements our LMR technology really well. And it's essentially a technology that will help operators on the front line work in very challenging conditions by basically providing voice, video, and data communications without fixed infrastructure.
So if you think of the emergency services networks maybe working in an austere environment, firefighters needing to tackle blazes on the ground. Well, with MIMO, maximum input, maximum output technology, you have the facility of allowing these different assets, be it a helicopter, be it drone, be it ground sensors, to be able to provide a data pipe, if you will, to allow all of these different elements to work effectively together to tackle the problem. And in that instance, it could be firefighting, as I say.
Not even a stone throw away from where we were. We're in the security environment zone.
What I can show you today is our new AI feature, visual alerts. So, really interesting new stuff. We're using an AI large language model. I can search for things just by text. I can search for anything. So before I had only cars and persons, the normal thing. With our new visual alerts, I can just search for example, a person on the ground. The software is checking if it understood this command. It understood the prompt. I can choose which cameras. I say, okay, search on all of cameras. And this is, for example, great for hospitals, for elderly support, where not always people are around, and for privacy reasons, there are not people watching the cameras there. So we can use just the AI alerting a person to help people on the ground. Someone is falling, there is smoke in the room, there's fire in the room. Anything you can possibly think of, you can do with visual alert, just by text.
All right, so that was Motorola Solutions here at PMRExpo 2025. Thank you for watching.